Today I'm just going to show a recording of this dash cam, the C450, doing night driving with the headlight mode on. There's a setting in the dash cam that allows you to turn the headlight mode on. As you can see, the camera automatically adjusts how bright it records. So right now it's like, I would say it's average. So the street you can see is pretty dark. But when there is going to be bright light, as you can see, the camera automatically adjusts. Personally, I prefer it off mode. So I'm going to do a second recording tomorrow and upload it with the driving pretty much the same streets, and then with the headlight mode off, which should record something like this way instead of extra brightness in the background. About 3 seconds ago, you heard that there's a mechanical noise. That's actually the camera turning on and off the headlight mode, right? So it's the lens opening its aperture. So that's what you're hearing. Oh, and don't forget, since this is about a couple minute mark, the camera screen would turn off, but it is actually still recording, because you will see there's a red light for power and there's a blue light that's blinking. That means it's recording. I think I set mine for 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I don't remember. And also I set my video to 3-minute loop. So this whole video actually is going to be a combination of 2 videos. So again, this is just a night driving video test for the Apeman C450 dash cam with the headlight mode on. So tomorrow or another day, I'm going to do a video with the headlight mode off. Pretty similar, but with more steady brightness like this. And that noise again is the camera switching on and off the night mode. It's actually a small mechanical sound.